Brand new oil pump. Can even see it from here. In Ateso, you call it what? Itetet? Nitetet. Meaning that brand new.
Yes.
This is the old one which was there. But this one has really worked. You can even see. It has damages here. Such that when installing like this, the new oil pump is not damaged. You have to pour in oil, then you rotate manually. That is enough. Don't pour excess.
That one's going to pour out again.
This is the box where the new was. You can even see it from here. Oil pump. That's the brand. Now, if you had put the strainer, it was going to disturb you in rotating.
Let's give it a hand.
Has it now entered?
How can you give the kid? Campaign.
Also the bolts, they have changed, the nuts. Solomon, were you the one changing all of them? Because I see like these ones here. You've changed.
Yeah.
Meaning that you done full overhaul. Or you
The overhaul the engine. So we told the engineer to buy
changing
this
each
one.
and everything.
Yes. We told him to buy this one. He refused. Say that thing is okay. Putting like this. I see he refused.
And once you put like this, it will start making that funny noise.
The light was warning from inside. True enough, this one is a diesel, mean a petrol.
Don't say that it's a petrol, or even the diesel can also knock.
It can knock.
When the oil pump is not okay,
yes, it can knock.
it can also knock.
Yes, I meaning the diesel. The moment they touch the timing bell,
Yeah, tap. And the petrol is a funny one. It gives you two pieces.
Ahora we are so yo so keram. Ameron kage tan kesi. I lining are kerre.
Engine sump. Start with this one here. Job, kanaawe kyekiseera oleete kali kagundi kasampu akasembayo akatono. Well, but the advantage you have that they are using a chain. They are not using ropes only. Yeah, it can come and land on you. Well,
Solomon.
this 6. G, our 6G74 petrol engine, Mitsubishi Pajero. We're now going to install our last sump because this one has 2.
No. This thing was leaking. So now they're saying
So you have to apply a lot of silk.
Yes. I know you have your boss. No. Now I see. This one is the one who brought that in us.
Tekayo. Zakange mazo kateba akasumaali. Aya tekayo n'akalala awo. Motoka erina sampu 2, akato n'akakulu.
Kuno kato kuno Waswahili.